Hey guys, and welcome to your video lesson today. We're going to be looking at grammar and we're going to be studying types of pronouns. Now, we're already introduced to pronouns last week, and now we're going to look at different types of pronouns. The first type of pronouns that we have here are what we call subject pronouns. And subject pronouns are those pronouns like I and we. So I is singular, we is plural. You, he, she, it, right? We use he for male and she for female and it for things that are not human beings, like dogs and tables and pencils. And they is the plural for the third person, right? So not the person speaking and not the person listening, another person. Let's look at an example. I read a chapter every night. I here is the pronoun. I is the pronoun and it's in the place of the subject. It's in the place of the subject. Who are we speaking about in this sentence? I. So this is what we call the subject pronoun. Let's look at another example. Sari is a great soccer player. So here Sari is the subject. Now we can replace Sari with a pronoun. What pronoun can we use to replace Sari? He. We say he plays soccer every Friday. So he replaces Sari and he is the subject. The next type of pronouns that we have are called object pronouns. And an object pronoun comes in the place of the object. So we have me, us, you, her, him, them, and it. So instead of saying I, we say me. Instead of you, well, you remains the same, and it remains the same. You and it, they don't change as the object. Let's look at an example. Will the captain say hello to us? So us here is the object. So this is why we call it the object pronoun, and we don't say we say us. Will the captain say hello to us? And that's the object pronoun because it's in the place of the object. If it's in the place of the object, it is called the object pronoun. And like we just said, the object pronouns are me, us, you, her, him, them, and it. Let's look at another example. Michael eats pizza every Saturday. Here, what does Michael eat? Pizza. Pizza is the object. Now, what pronoun can we use to replace pizza? He loves it. He loves it. So it here is the object pronoun. We use it, and that is pizza. That's the object pronoun. We have a third type of pronouns called reflexive pronouns. Our reflexive pronouns, they are when the subject and the object are the same. We will see an example in a minute, but the reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Let's look at an example. Laila and Raul did all of the work themselves. Who did the work? Laila and Raul. Laila, who did the work? Laila and Raul. The robot is there, but the robot didn't help them. This is what we call the reflexive pronouns. Right? They did the work by themselves. I did it by myself. So the subject and the object are the same. This is the reflexive pronouns. I hope this video was interesting and fun and it helped you to understand the lesson. See you next time.